Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. In this video I am going to walk you through how to add highlights on Instagram without posting on story. I am going to show you 2 different ways to do that, but just make sure to watch until the very end, because without any further ado, let's jump right in. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up our Instagram app over here. You actually have to post a story to do this. So let's go ahead and add a story. I am simply going to swipe right on this gear icon at the top left corner and then tap on a story. Then you want to tap on hide story from, and then you want to select everybody on this list, all of our followers, so that only you can see it. This process can be boring if you have thousands of followers, but later in the video I will show you another way to add highlights without posting it as a story. So I am simply going to pick something random for the example. And now I can post that, and let's wait a couple of seconds for that to post. And then I can open that up, and now I can simply tap on highlight to add this as a highlight. So after you have done this process, and you have added this as a highlight, you may want to go back and unhide that for future stories. So this will only show up as a highlight, and nobody will. So now for the second method, go back, then tap on close friends, and then choose one specific account. Select just one single account. I am tap on done. So let's go back, and then I am going to select something random from the gallery, and then I am just going to post that. When you tap on the highlight option, and that's basically it for this tutorial. If you have any questions about the process, please leave them in the comments section below. And if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step videos like this one. Thanks so much for watching and have a nice day.